Everyone, let's imagine a cone with a base as wide as a football field and 500 meters height. That's an illustration of how much food waste in Indonesia for a year. According to the United Nations in 2020, Indonesia is the country with the second largest food waste in the world. You might think this is not a big problem, but now it's crucial to consider this issue because it affects my life, your life, and everyone's life. Hi, my name is Muhammad Harish, an outstanding student from Universitas Pertamina. And I am standing here today to talk about food waste as a crucial issue, which is aligned with the SDGs Point 12 about responsible consumption and production. In Indonesia, 1/3 of our food we produce goes to waste. That is equivalent to 46 million tons of waste, or if we convert in rupiah, that's equal to more than 300 trillion rupiah. This is ironic because at the same time, many Indonesian people are starving. Instead of feeding people, food waste feeds climate change because when foods end up in the landfill, it produces a toxic greenhouse gas like methane, which is very harmful to the environment. So, what can we do to solve this problem? Addressing this problem, let's take a look at how other countries experiences. Please allow me to mention Denmark as an example. Denmark is one of the developed countries that has a low rate of food waste. They successfully reduced 25% of food waste in just 5 years. In 2008, their community created an anti-food waste movement community, namely Stop Spillomal, or in English, Stop Wasting Food. This movement has greatly influenced communities, grocery stores, hotels, and restaurants to be able to save, cook, and share food rather than sending food to the bin. They even turned this organization into a business. They founded the world's first food waste supermarket, which sells the food at 30 to 50% cheaper than normal. Now let's be back to Indonesia. The government has made effort to overcome this problem, one of which is through the Safe Food movement by making food banks in 12 provinces. However, we know that the government efforts alone are not enough. We need to be able to change our mind and habit of throwing away food. Start to realize how important it is to prevent food waste. So, here are 5 practical steps to reduce food waste. First, buy and cook only what you need. Avoid overstocking and cooking more than necessary. Second, get creative with leftovers. Instead of throwing away leftovers, explore more different recipes with the leftovers as an ingredients. Third, organize food at home. Keep track of food purchases and wastage to overcome food waste. Fourth, consider using food as fertilizer. Instead of throwing your food in the bin, you can use food as a composter. Fifth, support food charities. Donate food to people or organizations who need it. These 5 simple steps are applicable for everyone, starting from household level to the food industry. At the end of the day, simply take time to think about your own consumption habits, like, do I need to buy this? Am I going to eat this? Am I just buying it because it's in the sale? Do I still have other food I could eat instead? This simple question make us think about our daily consumption habits and allow us to think more about the impact of the way we eat. So, you know that the waste has such a big impact on our environment, our economy, and also our society. But by taking this small step every day in the right direction, we can ensure that this problem will no longer have negative impacts on our society. Let's be responsible for our consumption and production, and I hope what I am delivering now can be a serious alert for all of us. Let's be the change the world needs.